Hey guys, I am doing what's in my vegan fridge number 3. So let's get started. So the first thing is I picked up some more vegan butter, essential. Here are some of my condiments. I have some soy sauce, plum sauce, mustard, dressings, minced garlic, bouillon sauce, gochujang sauce, vegan mayonnaise. Then down here I have some ketchup, blue cheese, more soy sauce, sriracha, ranch dressing, ketchup, some vinaigrette, and some jalapenos. Down here I have some romaine lettuce, some jalapenos, and some green onion. And then over here I have some lemons. Over here I have some celery, some kale, more kale, and some spring salad for just salad basically. Then over here I have some tofu all the way to the back. There's some right here and some right here. In this drawer I have some vegan bacon, 3 things of the Gimme Lean veggie sausage. This is really good. You can basically form it into a patty, or you can crumble it up for like burritos, but it is very delicious and it's great for breakfast sausages. I have some apple and smoked apple sage sausages as well. Good for pasta, just good to eat by itself. Got 2 bags of the Daya cheddar cheese back here, some avocado, guacamole, and some more Daya slices back there. And then up top I have some almond milk and some water. Here in the freezer I have some mixed vegetables, some broccoli florets, some mixed vegetables over there too. Then I have some garden bean tenders, garden meatballs, the Beyond Meat back here, some garden beef crumbles back here, some delicious French fries, more garden crumbles, and I have the beefless Szechuan right here. So here are all my mock meats, and it's for the vegetables. We're in the closet right now. Here I have some beans of all kinds, chili beans, pinto beans, black beans, brown rice, some Xanium Farm Cinnamon Crunch. If you like Cinnamon Crunch cereal, this is the spot. I have some bread in here, from Dave's Killer Bread, if you can see. Dave's Killer Bread, and the Dave's Killer Bread bagels. Also I have some pasta in here, spaghetti, rigatoni. Some chips are back here. The vegan egg right there. Some potatoes. The Daya cheddar cheese sauce. Some refried beans right here. Coconut milk. Tomato sauces. Green curry paste. And red curry paste, olive oil, and I have some gelatin sauce and more soy sauce. So here's everything. I just have some avocados. So anyways, guys, that is everything that I have in my vegan refrigerator and pantry. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll check out you guys later.